In this video I want to show you how to use the pattern and accompaniment feature in the MM6. And the MM6 has this feature for you to be able to easily play along with rhythms, and also if you're using the finger option, it's going to play along bass lines and melodies along with your leads that you're playing to the right hand side. So this is here to give you some rhythm backing and also other instrumentation in the background while you're recording. If you like, you can easily build up a song using this method, and you can also change between different patterns in real time and so forth, so it allows you to have a bit of realistic style accompaniment whenever you're playing live or recording. So to access the pattern section, all we're going to do is press the pattern button, and you can see that there's many different patterns to choose from. We can use the category, increment and decrement buttons here. We can also use the increment and decrement buttons to the right of the scroll wheel or the scroll wheel, and we can select which pattern type we want to use. Once you have that selected, just press exit, and if you just want to hear the rhythm part without any bass or followed accompaniment with the finger option, we just simply press start stop at this point and listen to it. Also, you can change the pattern sections. There's up to 4 sections here, A through D for each pattern, so you can change those in real time just by pressing on them. So you can tell it's a real pattern there. You might, while you're playing along with a song, you might have a bridge or a chorus portion where you would switch to a different section to have a more realistic arrangement. Now we've talked a little bit about the finger option where you can finger chords and it'll play accompaniment with you in the same time. So whenever you're using this option, just simply press the finger button, and now whenever you're playing a pattern and you're also playing a chord on the left hand side where the split point is, it's going to follow with bass lines and melodies. So that's a very useful feature to have some quick accompaniment. There's also another feature here as well. If you set it to sync start, this means that it's not going to start to play the pattern until you press the keys. And then once you press the key, it'll start. You can see that's quite a useful feature. If you also highlight or press to activate the auto fill-in feature, then this will allow you to have some transitions in between some of the sections. So it also gives you a little bit of more realistic rhythm transitions there.